Welcome to Video Service Information. Looking at this 2016 Ford Explorer, the customer's complaint was a grinding noise coming from the transmission. Vehicle's got around 86,000 miles on it. Got this thing up in the air and we found that the PTU was broken. And you can see back here when the PTU shifted backwards, it actually broke the case on the transmission. There's some major damage going on. Checked all around to make sure we didn't have any external impact damage and nothing found. Further investigation found that the internal of the PTU had locked up, causing all the damage. You can see all the fluid here on the bottom of the K-frame and around the exhaust. The PTU, or the Power Train unit, does not hold much fluid, right around a half a quart to 3/4 of a quart, and gets neglected on a lot of services, gets overlooked. Nobody ever changes the fluid in it or checks to make sure there's still fluid in it. Once the fluid is low or poor quality, then we get internal bearing damage. Then eventually you could have a situation like we have here. It actually locked the PTU and broke the transmission case. Going to recommend a new Power Train unit and a transmission to get this one back on the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you.